Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, papakita ko lang sa inyo shortly yung mobile trading platform ni First Metro Securities, which is itong First Metro Sec Go. So if you already have an account with First Metro Sec, so you just have to install their mobile app and you can use it in your trading activities. So very convenient siya. And maganda actually yung mobile app because it's very intuitive, easy to follow, easy to navigate, and you can get most information, if not all, na kailangan mo for you to decide on your trading activities every single day. So in this mobile platform, meron silang 5 main menus: market, stock, trade, portfolio, and then itong watch list. Okay, so pagka-log on mo, makikita mo tong section na ito yung kanilang homepage where you can see yung exact real-time update sa index. Okay, so ito yung Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So this is the general benchmark that we use to gauge yung up and down and yung general performance ng ating Philippine stock market. And dito sa baba, ito is makikita natin ilang issues or ilang stocks yung currently up, yung umakyat, currently unchanged, so yung hindi siya nagbago from the previous trading day, and then yung down, and then yung total ng tatlong yon is 155. Okay, and then right now the market is open, so nakikita natin nag-update yung volume or yung total number of shares traded and yung value or yung total amount of transactions traded so far. And then under nung market menus, meron ditong so ito yung index, no, Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Sub-indices, so this just shows you yung update naman on different sub-index or yung mga different sectors. So we have this PSEI, which is for the index. So parehas lang siya nito. So 595705. Okay, and then yung all is yung all PSE index, so yung all shares. And then FIN, financials, industrial, holdings, okay, property, services, and then mining. Okay, and then check lang natin ito. So quickly, dito mo naman makikita yung amount ng local and foreign transactions. So meron ditong local buy and sell, and then ano yung net niya. So currently, this is net selling. So it's negative, mas malaki ngayon yung nabenta ng mga local investors. And then sa kabila naman is foreign. Obviously, dapat yung pinaka-net total niyan would be 0. So, sa kaliwa, negative 12 point, nag-update. So, negative yung kabila, and then yung net amount naman, dun sa foreign should be just the contrapositive or yung kabaligtaran lang. So, dapat naman kasi, obviously, dapat mag-sum ng 0 yung total transactions. Kasi hindi naman tayo nagdadagdag ng pera sa stock market, nagpapalitan lang tayo between locals and foreigns. Okay? And then here sa pang-apat is yung top gainers and worst losers. Maganda yung ano niya, na very intuitive, very visual. Kita mo kagad kung ilan yung percentage change, and then nag-update din yan yung absolute change naman. Okay, so for each top gainer stock and worst losing stock. Ang kagandahan dito kasi sa top gainers and worst losers, makikita mo yung malaking tumalon. So dito mo pwede siguro kang mag-momentum trading or yung mataas o bakyat, malaki yung fluctuation in every single trading day. Okay? So ang time ngayon is 9:52 AM, no? So the market is now open, kaya nag-update yan. And then here, dito naman yung sa most active and top traded issues. Okay, so ito naman yung pinaka-malaki yung value na na-trade so far. So meron kang VAL, which means value. So halimbawa itong most active as of this time is GT Cap. That has a value of 76.77 million. Okay, and then kita mo yung current price nga. What is the prevailing price, market price also. So that's 366.40, and bumaba siya, so therefore it's color red. Okay, and then dito naman sa top traded is yung pinakamaraming trades. For example, Security Bank, so that has 1,215 trades. Ang current price niya, market price is 92 pesos and 50 cents, and that is an increase of 3 pesos and 50 cents from the previous price. And then, so meron ditong top 10, and then meron din ditong option to build watch list with this list of stocks under most active, and similarly, you can also able to build yung watch list mo. So if you want to create a watch list for this top traded stock. So later on makita natin ano ba itong watch list. So moving forward, so itong news, just news coming from Philippine Stock Exchange. And then if you would want to see yung updates from Twitter account ni First Metrosec, so meron din silang streaming dito. And finally, so under stocks is, tingnan natin itong Metrosec. So these are just announcements from the broker, and dito you can access yung kanilang researches, other reports. And if you click on this one, so this is another good feature kay First Metrosec na marami silang researches, they have daily report, they have technical analysis, weekly report, consensus corner, and then meron din silang traders playbook and stock screens. So siguro in my next video I can show you yung different reports offered by First Metrosec, but for now let's focus on the mobile platform interface. Okay, so that's all with the main menu, yung market. So basically, it just gives you yung information about the general market. And if you want to check yung updates naman sa specific stock, so punta lang kayo dito sa stock. And meron ditong option to enter yung stock code mo. So halimbawa, gusto mong makita si Jollibee. So JFC yung kanyang ticker or yung kanyang stock code. So here, makita mo yung codes nung specific stock na pinili mo. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 levels ng bid and asking prices. And dito naman sa baba, makikita mo yung recent transactions. So at what time, at what price, how much or how many volume, and then yung buyer and seller. Okay, so sino yung buyer na broker and then sino yung seller na broker. And again, ito yung current quotation nga. Dito makikita mo yung current price and yung change, okay, absolute change and yung percentage change. Ang kagandahan dito, no, meron kang buy and sell button. So in other words, you can trigger buy transaction or sell transaction right away. If nakita mo na nag-attain or na-reach ng stock mo yung specific target price mo or yung specific stop loss level mo, then you can buy or sell. Okay? So yun yung makikita mo sa under stock info. Check natin itong profile. So basically, yung company background. So you have what is Jollibee, board members, contact information, website. So just the profile of the company. So hindi naman natin masyadong tinitingnan yan. Under research, ayan. So maganda din yung kay First Metrosec. Mayroon silang lots of research. Ano yung consensus target? Okay, ano yung rating niya, whether it's buy, hold, or sell. Market cap. So this is just some financial information and data that you can use for your fundamental analysis, like itong valuation, dividend dates, financial ratios like price to book ratio, PE ratio, dividend ratio, sales ratio. So in my next video, I'm gonna explain shortly ano yung significance ng mga financial ratios na ito, but these are mainly used when you are doing fundamental analysis or you want to check yung financial status. Okay, kung maganda ba yung prospect niya, kung kumikita ba siya, and kung consistently growing ba yung kanilang earnings. So those are very important if you're gonna do fundamental analysis that can help you screen your stocks. Okay? And meron ditong price performance so far. So ano yung 12-month percent change, 1-month percent change, and then yung average. So unfortunately, because of the COVID-19 crisis, very negative yung mga price performance so far. But this actually gives you yung relative valuation compared dun sa kanyang historical price. And volume activity for the past 1 month and 3 months. Okay, then check natin itong First Metrosec. So ito naman yung mga researches that are specific to this stock, Jollibee. Okay, so very accessible siya. And pag kinilik mo yan, it will open a PDF document where you can read yung recent information. Ayan, you can download the PDF document. Ayan, so this is just a sample research under kay First Metro Securities. So balik tayo dito sa platform. So yun yung under ng research, and then stock news. So ano ba yung mga news and disclosures and updates specific to this company? No? So this is very important if you are, for example, doing active trading. You would want to follow yung recent updates because one news, one disclosure could affect significantly yung price ng isang stock. And that is very important for an active trader, also for investors. And then one more thing na maganda kay mobile platform ni First Metrosec is meron silang charting. So meron ditong 1 day. Pag kinilik mo yan, you have 2 options. So meron ka ditong area chart or you can do candlestick. Okay, so if you're doing candlestick patterns and intraday trading, so this is very helpful. But if you are much longer investor, mas mahaba yung time horizon mo, you can check itong 1 month. So meron ditong candlestick And meron ding area chart, and then 3 months, 6 months, diba? Very, very intuitive and madali siya, hindi siya yung kalat. And then 1 year, so kita mo na sobrang baba siya ngayon. Year to date, okay, and then 3 years, diba? And 5 years. So, pwede kang makakita ng mga possible support levels. Wala siyang option to add yung mga support and resistance levels, no? If you want to do that, so I would suggest to do your trading in a desktop computer. Okay, but kung on the go ka, so this is already very helpful. Okay, so that is with the charts, and then stock info. So basically, ito ay quotes, no? Ano yung bid volume and bid price, and then ano yung asking volume and ano yung asking price. And then as with any screen, makikita mo yung current price and yung percent change. And then, okay, so kung gusto mo naman makita yung more than 5 levels of bids and asks, so pwede mong i-check dito yung top 10. So with this information, makikita mo so far yung spread nung demand and yung supply. So for example, here, ang bid volume mo is maliit lang, and then yung ask volume mo is mas maliit siya actually. But basically, nag-a-update siya, no? But kung meron kasi diyang malaki, makikita mo na parang meron kang harang. So kung malaki yung ask volume mo, so mahirapang umakyat yung stock kasi ang daming nagbebenta. And then makikita mo yung bid price, so 121.2, naging 0.3, and then yung asking price. So with this top 10 bid ask, you have an information gaano karami yung interested magbenta and bumili at different price level. So somehow nagkakaroon ka kasi ng idea about that. And time and sales, if you want to see yung recent transactions that we're having now with the stock, so you can see here. For example, ang most recent transaction niya is ito, 10:03:45. That's 121 pesos. But again, it's nag-update because open yung market today. Then we have buyers and sellers. So dito mo makikita which brokers yung top 5 buyers and top 5 sellers. And then meron ditong visual representation. So for example, PNB, siya yung pinakamalaki, that accounts for 25% of all the buying transactions. And then ano yung sumunod na brokers? Okay, and then top 5 sellers, so it's the same information, ano yung number of shares and yung volume and yung ano yung average price. Then you also have the information on the volume and on the value, okay, the transaction amount. And finally, volume review. So here you can see yung different price levels and ano yung volume na na-trade on each price level. Okay, so ano yung gamit nito? Well, makikita mo kasi saan majority nakabili yung mga trading participants. So meron ka ditong price, at what price level, volume, number of shares, value, and then yung percent total. So, pag hinanap natin yung pinakamalaking percentage, 7%. This is 11, so that's 119. Ayun, so far yun yung pinakamalaki, no? Followed by yung mga 9% like 121. Pero ang pinakamataas is 119. So, in other words, we have an idea na at this level, so yung 11%, 119, relatively mas malaki yung transactions na naganap. Okay, so what you can do with it is, meron ka na ngayong idea saan ba mostly nakabili yung ibang tao. Pero ngayon kasi is medyo maaga pa, no? So hindi pa ito actually masyadong important. Lalo na kung long-term investor ka naman. Okay, so that's all with the stocks. Okay, so everything, so all information that you would want to see in a specific stock, then you can check it here under the stock menu. And then dito naman sa broker, you can check din yung mga broker rankings. Sa broker rankings kasi, you will have an information sino ba yung mga brokers na maraming activities. So are these foreign brokers? So makikita mo yung local participation, pati rin yung mga foreign participation, mga foreign money. So that's with the brokers and stocks. So now let's go to trade. But before we proceed, if you're enjoying this video and want us to make more videos more often, then please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to show your support. Also, if you have questions or thoughts while watching this video, then please do share it in the comment section below. So again, here dito sa stock, no, you can trigger a buy order or you can trigger yung sell. So very intuitive naman siya and hindi ka mahihilo, no, kasi buy is green, sell is red. But if we now go to trade, so here meron kang option to to click buy or sell. If you want to create a new order, if you want to view your open orders, so pwede yung makita dito. Ito yung open orders. You can also check yung match orders, canceled, and rejected. Okay, so essentially, you can see dito yung different status ng orders mo. So makikita mo kaagad whether nag-match siya, nag-cancel, or open pa yung order mo. Okay? So you can click buy here, for example, and you can enter yung stock code, so halimbawa Jollibee. Okay, and then pwede mong i-open yung quotes ni Jollibee para makita mo yung ano yung bid price and yung ask price. So kung nagmamadali ka kasi, yun kagad yung gagamitin mo. So if you would want to buy, ang gagamitin mo is yung ask price kasi yun yung nagbibenta. Now if you want to sell immediately, kailangan mong gamitin itong bid price because yun yung presyo na gusto ng mga bumibili. Lalagay mo lang din yung volume dito and yung price, and meron ka ditong preview, and you can place your orders right away. So mamaya gawin natin ito, but basically yun yung mga options under this trade. Okay? Makikita mo lang dito yung buying power mo, no? Meron ka rin dito, and meron ka rin ditong dito sa wallet icon, yung makikita mo yung cash and yung buying power that you have. Now, moving forward, now let's go to portfolio. So, ang kagandahan nito, consolidated na siya. No? Meron kang stocks, meron kang funds, and then meron kang cash. And then makikita mo yung percentage. So, gaano ka ba ka-expose sa stocks, sa funds, and gaano ka ba ka-liquid. And meron siya ditong visual representation, no? Pie chart. So, here makikita natin na I'm 77.5% invested in stocks. And if you have mutual funds, so si First Metro Securities kasi meron din siyang option for you to invest in mutual funds. So makikita nyo rin dito yon. And then of course yung cash position mo. And if you want to check yung specific portfolio mo, halimbawa sa stocks, so all you have to do is to click it. And here makikita mo yung percent profit and loss as a portfolio and doon sa specific stock. So, halimbawa, ang stock portfolio ko now has a value of this one, 121K. Profit loss, so this is yung profit and loss ko in my portfolio as a whole, okay? So, in other words, magkano na yung kinita ng total investment ko. And then here, dito sa day profit and loss, so magkano yung iniangat ng investment ko on this specific trading day. And then if we divide this into my holdings, so meron akong 3 holdings now. So makikita natin yung last price, and then yung available shares that I have in my portfolio, that is 650 for Jollibee. Ano yung average price na nabili ko siya, okay? And then ano yung costs. And then how much is the value, and then yung profit and loss ko on this specific stock, and yung percent profit and loss. So yung PL and yung day PL, ang kaibahan lang yan is yung PL is ito yung net profit and loss mo dun sa stock. Whereas yung day profit and loss, ito yung iniakyat, okay, or ibinaba ng investment na ito on this trading day. Okay, so in other words, negative ako kahapon, pero dahil umakyat siya today ng 3,000 or 3,900, so naging positive siya. Meron ka rin ditong percentage, that is 2.46. And then the same information is displayed on your different stock holdings, and with this, you can have a quick glance, no, overview, how much na ba yung kinikita mo. And if you want to check yung other information specific to a stock, so i-click nyo lang yung stock code or yung ticker, and you will be back doon sa quote screen. So meron ditong 3 options. So ito yung overview ng stock mo, ano yung current price, ano yung previews, and yung percent change. And then here you can see yung bid and asks. So yung quotes essentially, and yung specific recent transactions. And sa pangatlo, makikita mo yung chart. Okay? So, ngayon, umaakit siya. And if you want to see more information, so meron ditong more info. And then, you will be brought back doon sa ating stocks menu. So, very visual siya and very colorful. Right now, wala akong funds portfolio, wala akong mutual funds. So, zero ako ngayon dito. So, I'm just invested now in the stock market. But if you want to buy and invest in mutual funds, so kung wala kang time to monitor your active investments, pwede kang bumili ng mutual fund, and meron akong tutorial no, how to do it in my other videos. And lastly, if you want to have specific watch list, so basically this is just a list of stocks that you would want to follow and monitor closely. Here meron tayong ticker. So ticker, basically it shows you yung real-time transactions na nangyayari kay Philippine Stock Exchange. So mabilis mag-update because maraming nangyayaring buy and sell transactions. So here yung stock code, yung last quantity or yung volume na na-trade, and sino yung buyer and seller. Okay? And again, mabilis mag-update yan because it monitors every transaction that is happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. And here, dito mo naman makikita ang iyong watch list. So meron ditong Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So this consists of the 30 biggest and most actively traded stocks that we have in the Philippine Stock Exchange. And this is ideal for newbies, no? You wouldn't want to invest dun sa mga matataas yung fluctuations if you are just a new investor. So you probably can start with these issues kay Philippine Stock Exchange Index because hindi masyadong ganun kalaki yung updates mo. And then meron ka rin ditong options to create your watch list. Okay, so halimbawa, dagdag natin si Jollibee. Search natin si Jollibee. Add JFC to watch list. Okay, ayan. So makikita mo ang iyong information about the stock. So pwede mong i-select yan dito. I-displayed kasi yung dividend yield. So you have the dividend and yung percent yield. So dividend is one way for you to earn as an investor. Basically, it's the earnings distributed by the company to each shareholders. So pwede nyo panoorin yung previous video ko how you guys can earn dividends and how to find stocks and companies that are giving dividends. But on this screen, you already have a good overview of different stocks. So halimbawa, i-display natin itong Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So makikita natin sino ba yung mga generous or yung mataas magbigay ng dividends like itong Aboitiz Power, DMC, mataas din pala siya. And then, mostly mga utilities, like ito, Meralco. So, that is mataas siya, 5.49, Semirara. And, yan, TEL. So, this is PLDT. So, mostly, ang mga nagbibigay ng dividends ay mga utilities, diba? Because, wala na silang masyadong area for company expansion. So, they would rather pay their shareholders in the form of dividends. And then, pwede mong baguhin yung information na nadi-display dito sa watch list. Like, itong projected, this is ideal sa mga active traders, yung mga bumibili during pre-open and pre-close. So, wala pa siya dito at this time. But you can change it like bid, volume, and ask. Last, high, low. Okay? Makikita mo yung high and low niya. Basically, yung range na ginagalawan ng stock price mo. Last, volume, and value. Year to date, so ito yung kanyang historical performance and yung month to date. And then that is percentage change. We have here 52-week high and low. 52-week meaning 1 year. So sa kaliwa, makikita mo yung lowest price na natin ng stock in the last 52 weeks. And then yung 52-week high is yung pinakamataas na natin nga in the last 52 weeks in the last year. And meron ka ditong point, no, ano yung price level niya at this point. So makikita mo gaano siya lumayo and lumapit doon sa iyong 52-week low and high. Essentially, it gives you an idea magkano pa yung pwedeng iakyat as compared to 52-week high. And magkano pa yung pwede niyang ibaba as compared to 52-week low. Okay? Next is yung market cap. So market cap, basically number of shares siya, outstanding shares, multiplied by the current price, yung market price. So, essentially, it gives you gaano kalaki yung company. So, if you are newbie, you would want to invest dun sa mga matataas yung market cap na nagpe-perform ng maganda dahil you would want to have issues and positions in liquid stocks. So, kung malaki kasi yung market cap ng stocks mo, then, mas malaki yung chance na mag-participate yung mga foreign. Dahil malalaki yung money ng foreign, so they would also want to invest dun sa mga malalaking companies. Otherwise, halos sila lang yung magpapagalaw sa market, so hindi nila gugustuhin yung ganun. Again, itong dividend yield, so if you're looking for income as an investor, you can check this. In my next video, I will discuss more of this. PE ratio and earning per share. So basically, these are just quick information that you can use para magkaroon ka ng idea doon sa fundamental analysis that you would want to do with this stock. So in my next video, I'm gonna share information on how to interpret itong EPS and yung price earning ratio. Okay, but those are relevant for fundamental analysis. And then one another thing is yung consensus. So ano yung consensus rating and ano yung target and potential profit and loss doon sa mga specific issues doon sa iyong watch list. So here, halimbawa, Ayala Corporation, so they have buy rating, okay, and then Aboitiz Energy, they have add. Okay, so pag mas malapit siya sa kanan, mas stronger buy siya. Okay, so mostly buy, add, and then meron din silang hold. Okay, so again, these are just analysis. So these are just recommendations. So pwedeng mamali sila, pwedeng tumama sila. So it's all up to you whether you would want to follow this. But this already gives you an idea with the analysis that are being done by the several brokers. And ano yung kanilang consensus rating. And then you can also have your watch list for your portfolios. Automatic na siya. Meron ka na rin kagad overview. And again, if you want to create your watch list, so meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 watch lists. So halimbawa, yung isa is for your momentum trading, yung isa is for your value plays, yung isa is for your growth stocks. So, depende na yun sa strategy mo. But this allows you, yung watch list, to give you a quick overview ng current status ng mga stocks under your specific watch list. Okay, and then meron ditong arrow sa baba. Pag kinilik natin, so basically ito yung ating PSEI level. So umakyat siya. And we are now positive 1.32%. So that is a good sign. And yun basically yung information na available kay First Metrosec Go. So ito yung kanilang mobile platform. And as you can see, very visual, very intuitive, and madali mong ma-access yung information na gusto mong makuha. So for us to see this in action, so let's try to do an actual trade. But before we proceed, if you're enjoying this video and want us to make more videos more often, then please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to show your support. Also, if you have questions or thoughts while watching this video, then please do share it in the comment section below. So again, merong several options for you to trigger a buy and sell options. So pwedeng sa quotes, pwede dito sa trades. So if you want to create a buy order, or pwede rin sa iyong portfolio. So halimbawa ito, so you can either buy or sell. And pwede rin dito sa iyong watch list. If you click on the stock code, then you are presented with the buy and sell options. So balik tayo dito sa ating portfolio. So let's click on portfolio, and then let's say gusto kong ibenta si Jollibee. Okay, so gusto kong magbawas. So right now I have 3.65%. So let's say benta natin to. So i-click mo lang yung iyong ticker code, and then meron ka kagad option to buy and sell. Let's say I want to sell it. So I click on sell. Ayan. So therefore, so nag-default na kagad siya doon sa sell circle, no? Pwede mo siyang i-click dito. So yung arrow mo nagbabago from buy to sell. So dito sa market, most likely ang gagamitin mo lang naman is yung normal. Dahil main board naman yung gagamitin natin. And then nakapopulate na rin yung ating stock code. So hindi na natin kailangang ilagay. So here dito sa quantity, pwede nyong ilagay yung iyong volume or number of shares that you would want to buy or sell. And dito, meron kang max shares. So this is the number of shares that I have of Jollibee in my portfolio. Okay, and then ano yung price na gagamitin ko? So let's say I would want to sell everything. So 650. And then ano yung price na gagamitin ko? So meron na tayo ditong get quote. So meron bumibili ng 123.4. So pwede ko siyang gamitin dito, 123.4, para mag-match siya kagad. Okay, and then yung value niya and yung buying power that I have, expiry, so basically ito yung term ng iyong order. So either day, which means this order is valid just for this trading day, or pwede mo rin namang gawing good till week. So your order is valid in the next week, in the next 7 days, until mag-match siya. Okay? And then meron ka rin dito yung option if you want to make your order as an iceberg order. And then pwede mong i-enter yung number of shares na gusto mong i-disclose. And then we should just be aware, no, na pwedeng mag-update yung quotes ni JFC because again open yung market. So ang bid price na ngayon is 123.6. So di ko babaguhin yung aking bid price na 123.5 para mauna lang din ako, no. So either magmamatch yan doon sa 123.6 or pag naubos yung 123.6, so kukuhanin ko yung 123.5. So let's now click on preview. Ang kagandahan pa dito is meron kang option to confirm your order using your fingerprint option ng iyong mobile phone. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-type ng password na medyo matagal and nagte-take pa ng time. Touch ko lang to confirm and enter yung aking fingerprint. And there, order has been sent. So we can now click on view order. So yung open order ko is wala na because hindi na siya open. So nag-match na siya. Ayan. So makikita natin under match, nandun na yung ating Jollibee. So nag-update na yung ating portfolio. Pag binalikan natin, ayan. So yung cash natin is nadagdagan and nabawasan yung ating exposure. So now I just have 2 stocks in my portfolio. And yung na-mention ko kanina, so here you can see yung iyong trading options. So sa baba, meron kang trading options. You can use biometrics instead of password. And this is very helpful if you want to place your orders quick. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-type. You just have to place your fingerprint sa iyong mobile phone. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali mag-place ng buy and sell order using First Metro Securities mobile platform, FMS Go. And if wala ka pa ng account kay First Metro Securities, then you just have to go to their website and follow yung kanilang steps to open your account. And in a few days, you will now be ready to invest and buy your first stock. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope nakatulong ito. And if you have any questions or comments or feedbacks, then please do put them in the comment section below, and make sure also to like this video, put a thumbs up, and subscribe and click the notification bell so you get updated for every new video that I'm gonna share with you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video. God bless us all. Bye!